Need to convert a MOV video into MP4. HandBrake can convert MOV files into MP4 while giving you control over video quality, audio, subtitles, and output settings. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to convert MOV to MP4 in HandBrake in 2026. So let's get started. First, launch HandBrake and click Open Source. Select the MOV file you want to convert and wait for HandBrake to scan and load the video. Before moving on, make sure you've selected the correct video file. Next, open the Summary tab and find the Format option. Select MP4 as the output format. This tells HandBrake to create an MP4 file instead of keeping the original MOV container. Now choose a suitable preset from the Presets menu. If you're not sure which settings to use, a general-purpose preset is a good starting point. I mean, using a preset can save you from manually configuring every video setting. Next, open the Video tab and review the encoder, frame rate, and quality settings. Then check the Audio tab to make sure the audio track you want is included. Take a moment to review these settings, especially if you need a specific balance between quality, file size, and compatibility. Now select where you want HandBrake to save the converted video. Give the file a new name and make sure the output uses the MP4 extension. Keeping the original MOV file is useful until you've confirmed that the new MP4 works correctly. Finally, click Start Encode and wait for HandBrake to finish processing the video. When it's done, open the output folder and play the MP4 to check the video and audio. So you've successfully converted your MOV video into an MP4 file, and that's how to convert MOV to MP4 in HandBrake. Open your MOV file, select MP4, choose your preferred settings, select an output location, and start the encode. I mean, once you know the basic workflow, converting MOV videos to MP4 becomes quick and straightforward. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.